So where are we, Sophie?
I'm actually from Ferme de Coubertin in France. It's in the Valley of Chevreuse, which is really famous. And we're coming for a walk, and we've come across this really gorgeous little dairy farm. They have different types of cows, goats, and can't wait to visit the farm shop to find out what I can get, smoking goat's milk and cow's milk.
And then now it's just that they closed the road.
Yeah, we thought it was actually, they were closing saying you're not allowed in, but it's actually for the cows.
Crossing of the cows.
Crossing of the cows here.
It's nice to see them out in the...
Oh look, what's happening here?
Oh, see, I told you they do.
Yes.
Get amorous.
I smell a fresh dung. But after all, we are on a farm here.